This tutorial is going to walk you through setting up our file, Trifold, to be shared through Google Drive. If you watched the other tutorial and you're able to get it down, fantastic. I recognize the other tutorial had no sound, so this one should have sound. I'll need to go through and make sure that it is submitted properly. To start, we want to make sure our file is named correctly. First, I want to find my file. It is a PDF. And what we want to do is name it correctly. First thing then is to make sure it's named right. We want to start by naming it by section. So if you're in 11182, 1182. If you're in 1186, 1186. Next is underscore. This will help me differentiate between classes. And type in last name and your first initial. Lastly, we simply want to write what it is, Trifold. This is how we want to submit our assignment. If you saved it as something else, go in and rename it so that it looks like this, so that all will be organized correctly. 15 things saying Trifold brochure makes it hard for me to identify who's who and give you the proper grade. Once it's named correctly, we're ready to go to the next step. The next step for us is to log into our Google Drive. We use our school account. I won't, just to show it working. We want use our school account. We want to sign in. So sign in with your school account, and it brings you to Google Drive. First thing you want to do is upload. Click Upload Files. You're going to find your file. Here's mine. And click Open. It's uploading. Once it's finished, it shows itself right here on display. The next step then is to share it with me so that I receive it. When you click it, it helps you view it. At the bottom, you can click the button Share. Here, there's a link and a few other things. You want to make sure you shared it with me. So you want to type in my email address, ccole@straightjesuit.org, and click Share and Save. You can also change from Can Edit to Can Comment, but you do not want to change it to Can View. Can Edit or Can Comment. This will allow me to make edits or comments on your document. Click Share. It will show that it's shared to ccole@straightjesuit@gmail.com, and it will show what I can do. If you want to change that to Can Edit and Can Comment so that I could put edits in there to help you, you are allowed to. Next, click Done. It has been shared. When I log in, this is what it looks like. Here we are in my Google Drive. When I logged in, not much is shown yet. If I look at what's shared with me, right here, it shows me all that's been shared. Those PDFs that have been shared in a strange way show up without any name or title, so it's hard for me to understand whose is whose. Though I can see it on the side, it's best to do it by section. So this way, we want it to be shared as is. Now all these have been shared with me the correct way. And here are the sophomores. All share the correct way. Now, if yours is shared incorrectly and you want to change it, it's simple. Go back to your drive. You're in your drive. Let's say, here is your document. You can simply click it to change the title. Rename. And you can rename this title any name you like. Section, last name, Trifold. Hope that helps. Have those in by the end of this week.